Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Studies class. Students, today I am going to start our fourth chapter, that is India, the Peninsular Plateau. So, let's start the chapter. First, I tell you what is plateau. A plateau is a flat, elevated land. Its topland is like table. Students, just see this picture, this image. This is the image of plateau. A plateau is a landform which is large and raised area of flat land, almost like a table. It is look like a table. What is peninsula? Peninsula क्या होता है? A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water from three sides, but it is connected to the mainland on one side. Children, see this picture. This is the peninsula, and there is a water, three sides. Three sides water is there. Now let's start the chapter, the Peninsular Plateau. This is the image of India's map. Now, the Peninsular Plateau is a tableland made up of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. The plateau has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. Just see this picture. This yellow portion, this is a peninsular plateau and this is a tableland. It is called a tableland. This plateau is covering nearly half of the area of India. आप देखो half of the area इसने cover किया हुआ है इंडिया का. It is triangular in shape. Shape कैसा दिख रहा है इसका? Triangle with a broad base. So, and the peninsular plateau consists of both broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. The peninsular plateau is made up of ancient igneous and metamorphic rocks. This plateau is divided into two broad categories. These categories are number 1, the Central Highlands, and number 2, the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands. So, I am going to tell you about these two broad categories which are separated by the Narmada Valley. Look at the map. This green portion, this is a Central Highland, and this orange portion, that is a Deccan Plateau. The Central Highland, the part of a peninsular plateau lying to the north of the Narmada River, covering a major area of the Malwa Plateau, is known as the Central Highlands. The Central Highlands lies to the north of the Narmada Valley and comprise of the Malwa Plateau in central India and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. Look at these two plateaus in the Central Highlands, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. In Aravalli and Vindhya ranges, there are two ranges in this region, Aravalli ranges and Vindhya ranges. These two ranges lies in Malwa Plateau. ये दोनों रेंजेस किस में हैं, किस प्लेटो में हैं? मालवा प्लेटो में. And this Rajmahal hills, these hills lie in Chota Nagpur Plateau. These are the rivers, these are the rivers that drained in Malwa Plateau, like Chambal River, Son River and Betwa River. These are the rivers originating in the Central Highlands. In the Central Highlands, it's find black soil is best for growing cotton and oil seeds. Chota Nagpur Plateau is the northeast part of the Central Highland, and this plateau is rich in minerals like coal, iron ore, bauxite, manganese and mica. Now I am going to tell you about Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau, the part of the peninsular plateau extending to south of the Vindhya range, is called the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is that lies to the south of Narmada Valley and across the Satpura ranges. And the highest peak of the peninsular region is Anaimudi. इसकी सबसे बड़ी हाईएस्ट पीक कौन सी है? अनायमुदी. Deccan Plateau has two ghats. These ghats are surrounded by two ghats. These are Western Ghat at the west side and Eastern Ghat at the east side. Look at this green portion. That is the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat at the both of the side. Now, these are the rivers. These are Deccan Plateau including the rivers, major rivers like Mahanadi River, Godavari, Krishna River and Kaveri. And these rivers too rise in the west and flow eastward. Tapi River. Tapi is the only river in Deccan Plateau that flows from east to west. ये कैसे फ्लो करती है? ईस्ट से वेस्ट. और बाकी सारी रिवर्स कैसे फ्लो करती हैं? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. Yes, these all the rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapi all through Deccan Plateau. But the Godavari is the longest river. सबसे बड़ी river है Deccan Plateau की Godavari and it is also known as the Dakshin Ganga. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? दक्षिण गंगा भी बोलते हैं. Deccan Plateau. Moreover, the sediment deposited by the rivers in Deccan Plateau build up deltas. Yes, Deccan Plateau में deltas भी बनाते हैं and deltas at the mouth. The deposited of the sediments जो deposit होते हैं river में that makes a delta. That's build up deltas. Yes, Deccan Plateau mostly contains and it covers the largest part of the southern part. Deccan Plateau mostly contains black soil which is good for growing cotton. So, thank you children. Today we covered half of the chapter and continued part we will cover in next video. Thank you children. God bless you.